What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got her up, shorty, should be that squishy to you. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her own, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her own, shorty ain't tripping, she got her ghost. Shorty, she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with BGM Girl Hair, y'all. It's not my first time working with them. I believe I've worked with them a few times before. I received the 9x6 M cap Kinky Curly 18-inch wig, y'all. HD lace, honey. This is glueless. It comes with an adjustable band inside. Also removable clips, y'all. And I can honestly say, honey, the hair is eating. Like, it's giving natural. Like, now I finally know a natural curly length, because I felt like before I would go for 16 and 12, and I feel like that would be too short. But 18-inch definitely gives like a natural curly length. Like I said, this is a 9 by 6, y'all. The parting space is all the way back here. You could part it on the left side if you want, but I didn't want to. I wanted to do a middle part. And like I said, it's removable clips inside. If you want to remove your clips, it's an adjustable band, so you don't have to glue, y'all. This wig is glueless. Also, it's not going anywhere. The adjustable band has like some type of slip grip. I don't know what they call it. I would highly recommend BGM Girl Hair. I never had no negative things to say about them. This curly hair was fire. For this to be kinky curly hair, this was very easy to work with. Also, I really had any type of tangles. I used my unbrush. If you don't know about unbrush, get with it, y'all. Unbrush is the best brush to use on curly hair. Like, you just won't have any type of shedding and extra hair being pulled out or whatever. But yeah, y'all, these curls is fire. I didn't put nothing on the hair, just some water. Lace, like I said, melted. This is an HD lace, y'all, and the lace is so thin. I love thin lace. If you don't have a thin lace, it's so hard to melt the lace. But if your lace is thin, you honestly don't have to do too much. Like, I really didn't have to do too much. All I did was add my foundation, and baby, it's melted. Like, I didn't have to do too much. Like I said, 9x6 melted. This is no glue, y'all. No glue. Get with it, y'all. These wigs are it. I'm pretty sure they have many other HD lace wigs you could choose from. Frontal closures is not the only thing they have. This wig is A1. 10 out of 10. I love. I don't have to do much. Install literally took under 5 minutes. Like, you don't have to do much with this wig. You don't have to do much with this wig. It's very beginner friendly. The same exact wig is going to be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On road to 70K. I keep saying 60K. On road to 70K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.